Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 8 for the subject of general knowledge. In this lesson that is being submitted to you on the 26th of July, year 2021, we will learn about hurricane. Students, in previous assignment, we discussed about two categories of hurricanes. Today, we will continue our topic and will come to know about other categories of hurricanes. Category 3 hurricane. Winds 111 to 130 mph, that is 96 to 113 kt or 178 to 209 kph. Storm surge generally 9 to 12 feet above normal. Some structural damage to small residences and utility buildings with a minor amount of curtain wall failures. Damage to shrubbery and trees with foliage blown off trees and larger trees blown down. Mobile homes and poorly constructed signs are destroyed. Low-lying escape routes are cut by rising water 3 to 5 hours before arrival of the hurricane center. Flooding near the coast destroys smaller structures with larger structures damaged by battering of floating debris. Terrain continuously lower than 5 feet above mean sea level may be flooded inland 8 miles, that is 13 km or more. Evacuation of low-lying residences with several blocks of the shoreline may be required. Hurricanes Roxanne of 1995 and Fran of 1996 were Category 3 hurricanes at landfall on the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico and in North Carolina, respectively. Category 4 hurricane. Winds 131 to 155 mph, 114 to 135 kt or 210 to 249 km per hour. Storm surge generally 13 to 18 feet above normal. More extensive curtain wall failures with some complete roof structure failures on small residences. Shrubs, trees, and all signs are blown down. Complete destruction of mobile homes. Extensive damage to doors and windows. Low-lying escape routes may be cut by rising water 3 to 5 hours before arrival of the hurricane center. Major damage to lower floors of structures near the shores. Terrain lower than 10 feet above sea level may be flooded, requiring massive evacuation of residential areas as far inland as 6 miles, that is 10 km. Hurricane Louis of 1995 was a Category 4 hurricane while moving over the Leeward Islands. Hurricanes Felix and Opal of 1995 also reached Category 4 status at peak intensity. Students, I am giving you 3 minutes break. Pause the audio and start the audio after 3 minutes. Welcome back, students. Let us resume our topic of hurricane. Winds greater than 155 mph, that is 135 kt or 249 kilometers per hour. Storms are generally greater than 18 feet above normal. Complete roof failure on many residences and industrial buildings. Some complete building failures with small utility buildings blown over or away. All shrubs, trees, and signs blown down. Complete destruction of mobile homes. Severe and extensive window and door damage. Low-lying escape routes are cut by rising water 3 to 5 hours before arrival of the hurricane center. Major damage to lower floors of all structures located less than 15 feet above sea level and within 500 yards of the shoreline. Massive evacuation of residential areas on low ground within 5 to 10 miles, that is 8 to 16 kilometers of the shoreline, may be required. Hurricane Mitch of 1998 was a Category 5 hurricane at peak intensity over the Western Caribbean. Hurricane Gilbert of 1988 was a Category 5 hurricane at peak intensity and is the strongest Atlantic tropical cyclone of record. Students, I am ending the lesson here. Kindly read the assignment carefully and after reading, try to answer the following questions. Thank you.